Hi everyone, it's Bone with UtahBIM. I wanted to share with you our second script for our UtahBIM Dynamo Hub. This one's our King Stud script. And what it allows you to do is select a linked file in your model and populate King Studs and headers around each of the doors in that file. And you can determine if the King Studs are the same width as the thickness of the wall cavity, or you can set a predetermined thickness. Anyway, let me kind of show you how this works. So this is the sample file from Autodesk. The very first thing you have to do is create a 3D view for ray bounce purposes, which means we only want the King Studs to go to the floor above. So we create a view that only shows the floors and or the roofs that we want our King Studs to kind of bump up against. So once we have that created, I always create another view. You can see I've already created all my King Studs here. I'm going to just go ahead, select all those guys and delete them. And I have a filter turning off all the other generic models. So we'll only see the King Stud. So let's come over here. I have this broken out in the different versions of Revit so that your Revit can handle the Python that this is coded in. And it's going to start up Dynamo. Again, this is using Orchestra's package, which is awesome. They do amazing things for Dynamo script deployment. So I'm going to select the architectural link. Awesome. And then this is the King Stud family. I'm going to do doors. I'm going to use that 3D view we had over there with the roofs and the floors. It's just called 3D for right now. You can set the King Stud jam width to the wall width. In this case, we're going to have it be true. If you didn't want that, you could put false and then put how wide you want that jam. The header height, I've just got 8 inches. And then the height of King Studs, not under a roof or floor. This is sometimes doors aren't necessarily under a roof or a floor. And so I'm going to just put this to 15. I'm going to turn off this header offset. We had a project that we needed that. We don't need that right now. So let's go ahead and hit run. And this should take about 10 seconds. So let's see. Oh, oops, I was wrong. That took about 3. It's pretty embarrassing of me, but I hope you can live with that. Let's go take a look at this. And you can see it's wrapped a King Stud around each of these doors, more or less where those King Studs would go. You can see it went all the way up to the floor above. In these cases where the center of the door, oh no, that's not a good example. Where were they? They were right here. The center of the door here is not directly underneath a floor or a roof. So this King Stud, as you can see here, is 15 feet tall, and it populated around all the doors. Some doors, like these curtain wall doors, it won't do, but pretty much all of the other doors it does just fine. So if you're interested in trying this out, please feel free to click the link below and or go to www.utahbim.com/dynamo-hub and try it out there. Anyway, hope to talk to you soon. Till next time.